Welcome to Cooking with Eli, episode 2. Tired as fuck. I'd like to welcome you all to my kitchen. We got water. My cute little stove. And tonight, we're gonna make this stuff that cost $1. I'm gonna put some veggies in it. And some beans. And some good old sauerkraut. Let's get started. So, we'll let the water boil. Got the hard stuff first, like the carrots. Got our shitty table knife. We'll do some cutting. And that's it. And just don't let it flick everywhere. Nicely diced. Do the same with the other veggies. And then put them in. Oh, how we go? Just nicely, gently, so I don't knock the water over. Stir every once in a while, since we don't have oil. And once you got that, oh, you get some of this. Oh yeah. And now we're already running out of room. Next, beans, drain the juices, and that goes in nearly last. This nearly goes in last. This fucker's up next. And now you just wait and don't knock it over, because I knocked it over this morning and it sucks. It's hot. Yeah, look at that tastiness. What she's done. Turn it off. Put her down. Oh yeah. Look at that. All you can smell is the sauerkraut. I even got chocolate mousse for dessert.